Welcome back to the eastern frontier of Bunaken National Park. In this second installment, we are pushing further along Bunaken's eastern coast to explore its top 3 geographical dive sites: Bunaken Timur 2, Pahepa, and the legendary Sachiko's Point. Forget the gentle shallows. Out here, the topography changes. We are trading slopes for deep, dramatic wall dives that plunge straight down into the abyss. Along these sheer, vertical drops, the marine life thrives. Watch as we drift alongside ancient green turtles and navigate the vibrant coral crevices where moray eels make their home. So, breathe easy, sit back and enjoy the sheer eastern walls of Bunaken.
Okay.
Ready? Okay. Welcome to this second dive. Yeah. So welcome to the site. The name of the site we call Bunaken Timur 2. And yesterday I got to diving in Bunaken Timur 1, and for today in Bunaken Timur 2. Yeah. Okay. You ready for the diving? Okay. Let's go. So, welcome to the site. The name of the site we call Pahepa. Pahepa is the name to the village. And over there we go to maybe you working, we start into a resort that we need to walk in 100 meters to the village, small village, named Pahepa. Yeah. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay guys, good morning.
Morning.
Welcome to website, yeah. So the name website we call Sachiko Point, yeah. Okay, ready? Okay, let's go for the diving.
A massive thank you to the team at Bastiano's Divers for looking after us so well underwater, and to the people of Bunaken for their incredible hospitality above the surface. If you're new to scuba diving and old dogs, make sure to dive into our back episodes. We have plenty of underwater magic waiting for you, from the stunning reefs of Raja Ampat to the beautiful waters of Nusa Penida. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next dive.